Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Warangal and Harmakonda locations and nearby Warangal cities like the towns. Let us discuss what are the job openings available one by one. Attention please. Do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job openings for Bandhan Bank all over India, and they have 3656 bank units and 1045 general banking branches, and they have a openings for 45549 job roles. You can check with the job description details, and this is a field job. If you see, qualifications should be minimum 20 to 32 years of age between, and that is maximum age is 32 years, and should have 10 plus 2 qualification and above, and you should have a bike or scooty, and should have driving license as well. So this is a field work. And then if you see, they are going to give you a fixed salary and pf, medical claims, insurance, gratuity, like this, and based on your performance your salary will be revised. So you should have a PAN card, and you should have a Aadhaar card, everything, and you should share your resume or CV along with your documents to the provided email ID. Email ID is territory@bandhanbank.com. So this is the email ID you have to share. If you have any questions, let me know in below in comments. I'll be replying for that. Next, there is a job openings for Concertina Pharmaceuticals. They are looking for several job openings for several locations. Medical representatives. They have openings for Hyderabad, Warangal, Karimnagar, Nizamabad, Tirupati, Kadapa, Anantapur, Kurnool, Nellore, Ongole, Guntur, Vijayawada, Elur, Bhimavaram, Rajahmundry, Kakinada, Vizag and Srikakulam. For all these locations, they are looking for medical representatives. And qualification, if you see, should have a 3 years of relevant experience, and that is must, and up to 29 years of age limit is there, like age should be below or up to 29 years will be considered. Salary is negotiable based upon your skill set and experience, and candidates who are having worked in respective HGS only will be considered. And they are looking for area sales manager. For the locations, they are looking Hyderabad, Warangal, Tirupati, Kurnool, Vijayawada, Vizag and Rajahmundry. Qualification, if you see, should have 3 years of experience in managerial. Cardiology experience will be considered, and up to 35 years of age will be considered, and salary is negotiable based on your skill set and experience, and should have worked in respective HQs need to apply. And they are looking for regional zonal sales manager, Hyderabad location. Should have 10 to 15 years of relevant experience with exposure to Telangana, AP and Odisha markets, and with their experience in who are having experience in Telangana, AP, Odisha markets will be considered. And age limit is up to 45 years of age limit is there, and salary is negotiable based upon your skill set and experience. You will be provided with challenging and motivating environment to grow at a rapid pace. You can share your resumes at the provided email ID on or before December 30th. The email ID is concertinapharmaceuticals Remember, you have to share your resumes on or before December 30th. Next, there is a job openings for Advita Global Healthcare Private Limited, located in Balasamudram, Hanmakonda. They are looking for several job openings like sales manager, marketing manager, sales executives, marketing executives, accountant and pharmacists. and they have also listed how many openings are available for each job role. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. They also have listed the official email ID as well. And for all these positions, they have mentioned what are the requirements, qualifications, minimum 1 year experience and any degree, and for a sales manager and marketing manager, and for marketing executives, they mention like MBA or any degree, and for accountant, minimum 1 year of experience is required, and for the pharmacist, B pharmacy or M pharmacy is the qualification, and minimum 1 year of experience is required, and graduates are preferred. They have mentioned like this. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9154103301 and 9154103302, and email ID is hr@a2zmedicals.com. Next, there is a job openings for JMJ Junior and Degree College located in Karnapuram, Peddapendiyal, Warangal district, urban 506151. This is the address details. They are looking for faculty positions for junior college, and for the economics subject, qualification is PG with first class or higher secondary class, and for physics and computer science subjects, and this is for degree college, qualification is PG with first class or higher secondary class. Then the preference will be given to the candidates who are having the NET or SET or PhD holders, and application should reach the correspondent before by on or before December 24, 2020. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9347088851 and 9393829077. Next, there is a job openings for Kristu Jyoti Institute of Technology and Science. They are looking for various faculty positions like professors, associate professors and assistant professors and technical assistants for the department computer science engineering, electronics and communication engineering department, electrical and electronics engineering department, mechanical engineering department, civil engineering and humanities and science department like chemistry, English subject, mathematics, physics and MEFA. For all these positions, for all these subjects, they are looking for the faculty. For all these departments, several job openings like professors, associate professors and assistant professors and technical assistants. For all these positions are vacant for all this department, and even for MTech and BTech courses. And the applicant should have a qualification. The qualification should be as per AICTE and JNTU Hyderabad norms. You can share your resumes on or before December 23rd to the provided email ID principal@cjits.org, like principal@cjits.org, and the resume should reach on or before December 23rd. So you have to share your resume on or before 23rd December, and the applications will be shortlisted based on, if once they receive the resumes and applications, they will be shortlisted and called for the interview. Like date of the interview will be informed. So you have nothing to do, just share your resumes along with your certificates to the provided email ID before December 23rd or on or before 23rd December, and PhD candidates will be given preference. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9346474916. Next, there is a job openings for Force Solar. They are looking for Force Solar Energy Systems Private Limited. They are looking for sales executive, should have at least 3 years of experience in professional companies, and should be a resident of Warangal district, Warangal city, and salary will be offered based upon your experience and skill set and as per the industry standards. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, and they'll get to know regarding further process. You can also visit their official website www.foursolar.com. The email ID is contsct@foursolar.com. You can share your resume at the provided email ID for further process. Next, there is a job openings for Medicina Pharmacy near Bhavani Theatre, Kazipet, Warangal. They are looking for pharmacist and a pharmacy assistant. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 8919454691. Next, there is a job openings for Kesava Degree College located at Bhimaram, Halmakonda, and they are looking for NCC female caretaker. Salary is negotiable. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. And this is a women's college, and that's why only female candidate is eligible. NCC female caretaker position. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9553828599 and 9885885077. Next, there is a job openings for Arogyasri Hospital at Jagityal. They are looking for urologist and nurses and OT assistant ortho. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information, and attractive salaries offered. Contact numbers are 9182095551 and 9440219926. Next, there is a job openings for Balaji Hospital. They are looking for ward boy and OP boy. For ward boy, timings will be 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and for OP boy, timings will be 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. The location address details provided here, opposite to Ram Lakshman Theatres, SVN Road, Warangal. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9849070601 and 9700334443 and 8328267339. Next, there is a job openings for Sai Manikanta Infra. They are looking for several job openings like civil engineers, retired engineers, active persons are eligible, marketing managers and senior accountants. Qualification is BTech or MBA, BCom, and should have 5 years of experience. And you can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 7330891166 and 9398375141 and 7731910033. Next, there is a job openings for maternity nursing home. They are looking for experienced nurses. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9000577744 and work location is Warangal. Next, there is a job openings for Ganesh Jewelers. They given a basic information. They are about the organization, and this is a retail jewelry business organization. They are looking for job openings for Warangal and even for Hyderabad new showroom. They have several job openings like store manager, assistant store manager, sales executives, guest relation executives, business development executives. They also provided what are the job experience requirements or qualification and age limit, everything, the detailed information given for each job role. You can check with that. And salary will be good pay and along with incentives is provided. You can share your resume at the provided email ID or on WhatsApp number. Email ID is ganeshjewellers009@gmail.com and WhatsApp number is 9059173384. For store manager qualification, if you see, should have a MBA degree and up to 10 years of experience is required in retail sales in any reputed jewelry showroom, and age limit is below the 45 years should be there. And for assistant store manager qualification, if you see, should be MBA or degree graduate and 6 years of experience is required in retail sales or any reputed jewelry showroom. Age limit is, if you see, should be below 35 years. For sales executives, qualification is graduation or +2. Should have 3 years of experience in reputed jewelry showroom and retail sales department. Freshers also eligible. You can see here, freshers can also apply, they mentioned. So freshers also eligible, any graduate or +2. And the age should be minimum 21 years and up to 30 years. Below 30 years will be considered. And for guest relation executives, only female candidate is eligible. And qualification, if it should be a graduate or +2, should have a pleasant behavior and should have a experience in customer relationships and should be fluent in English, Hindi and Telugu languages. Minimum 21 years and up to 30 years of age will be considered, and they have not mentioned any experience, so freshers are eligible for the job role as well, and this is only for female candidate. And for business development executive, should be a graduate and minimum 2 years of experience is required in marketing field and should be fluent in English, Hindi and Telugu languages. freshers also eligible for the job role, business development executive, and age limit is below 30 years should be there. If you have any questions, let me know in comments. I will be replying for that. Next, there is a job openings for Ramesh Hospital. They are looking for several job roles like lab technicians, sisters, PROs. Job location is Kakaji Colony, third line, Hanmakonda. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9154471981. Next, there is a job openings for Space International School. They are looking for receptionist. Only female candidate is eligible. Should have a good communication skills. They have 2 job roles. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9700999786 and job location is Space International School, Jawahar Colony, Gopalpur, Hanmakonda. Next, there is a job openings for Gokul Milk Center. They are looking for part-time job roles. Only male candidates are eligible for the job role and should have 2-wheeler. Job timings will be morning 6 o'clock to 10 o'clock and evening 4 o'clock to 9 o'clock. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 6300179918. Next, there is a job openings for Vinoda Hospital. They are looking for PRO and assistant positions. Only male candidates are eligible for the job roles. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9985432424 and job location is Balasamudram, Hanmakonda. Next, there is a job openings for Bhadrakali Furnitures located in Warangal. They are looking for helpers, sales executives, and only local candidates will be taken for this job roles and salary offered up to 10,000 per month. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 8328003966. Next, there is a job opening for Holland Healthcare Ethical Pharma Company. They are looking for medical representatives on urgent basis. Minimum 2 to 3 years of experience is required. You can share your resume at the provided email ID or you can contact on the given phone number for further information. Email ID is abhinavai@haldenhealth.com and contact number is 9966809111. Next, there is a job openings for Navodaya Coaching Center. They are looking for faculty positions for maths and English subjects for the 5th class students. This is they are offering like part-time and full-time teachers positions. Both are available. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9676145612 and 9490254685. Next, there is a job openings for Sri Lakshmi Nursing Home located in Kishanpura, Hanmakonda. They are looking for ward boys, security guards, and nurses like BSc qualification, BSc nursing or GNM. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9848039034 and 9177262063. Next, there is a job openings for Kubota Tractor Showroom. They are looking for sales executives and mechanic. And there are openings for Hanmakonda, Dharmasagar, Veler, Hasanpatti. Attractive salary is offered along with incentives and 2-wheeler is required for these job roles. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9133356693. Next, there is a job openings for YS Media News Channel. They are looking for mandal wise villagers. Salary offered up to 10,000 per month along with incentives. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 7075966623 and 7075866623. Next, there is a job openings for Sri Water Solutions located in Brupalapalli branch. They are looking for technicians and sales executives and receptionists. For receptionist position, only female candidates are eligible. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 8498861566. Next, there is a job openings for Varsha Spices to market their executives. They are looking for marketing executives and sales executives. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9390117820. Next, there is a job opening for Star in Men's Parlor. They are looking for workers to work in their parlor. Salary will be offered based upon your experience and job location will be Naim Nagar, Hanmakonda. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9000966183 and 9494277250. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings in Warangal and Hanmakonda locations moving forward as early as possible, and nearby locations as well. I'm covering all Telangana major cities as well. You can check other videos if you are looking for a job in other cities as well. I'll be covering variety of job positions and for the variety of qualifications. I'll be trying to give genuine information as well. You can check. I will be giving a variety of jobs as well, not only newspapers. You can check our channel, and please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos on job openings. And let me know if you have any questions or queries. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and have a great day.